Hello everybody, welcome back to Lady Fire's Kitchen, and today I have for you the ultimate split pea soup. It's going to be very flavorful, very nice and smooth, and delicious. We like that. Okay, so we are going to start. We're just heating this up for a little bit, so let's do this. Okay, first we have 6 slices of bacon. On this one, I use the cheapest bacon that you can find. And actually, I found it like $3-4. That was good. Because what I'm needing really is the fat from the bacon. And you know that bacon adds a lot of flavor to this. So we're just going to cook it really fast. And then we're going to add a whole onion right here. Of course, we always put our onions first, right? Because we want to get that them to be sweet and nice and translucent. Okay, so that's nice right there. See how the fat, it renders some fat. We're gonna add a whole onion. And we're gonna cook it for a minute or two until it's translucent. Oh yeah, I like it. Okay, so I am going to add 2 leeks, just the bottom part, not the very dark, just the, see, the white and a little bit of green on it. 2 of them, okay? And this is kind of like the onion family, I would say. That's why I'm putting them second. Guys, I have like probably a cup of ham with the bone. And we're going to throw that in because I want to give a little bit of color to the ham. I'm telling you, this is going to be packed with flavor. You guys are going to love it. All right, guys, so we have 3 carrots and 3 celeries cut into pieces, as you can see. Throw them in. Have to have some vegetables in there. All right, guys, I'm ready for my aromatics. I just wanted to see how we're doing here in that beautiful, yes, have 3 leaves, laurel leaves. In they go. You know, I love them. And I'm going to have some thyme, probably a tablespoon of it. You know, I like it, so I don't mind it at all. I'm going to give you a little trick how I got those leaves out of the little stem shortly. So we're going to mix this. All right, guys. So I got like this much of stems, and I figure if I stick this in here. And if I go sideways, just to the side, instead, don't go straight down, go sideways. You can get all the little leaves. And then you can chop it a little bit. And that's my little trick for you, my little tip for you today, so that you can get those little leaves out of that stem. Okay, guys, these are 2 cups, maybe a little bit over 2 cups of split peas. It was a whole bag because I had just like a little bit left over, and I said, I'm not gonna let that go to waste, so I used the whole bag. In they go. You have some choices with this. You can either leave them on water overnight. You can cook them for 5 minutes. But for those of us who want to do things quickly and don't have that time to waste, we can just cook them at the same time, no problem. Okay, guys, now we're going to add like 6 cups of chicken broth. This has like probably 2 and maybe a little bit left in each one of these, so I kind of know how much to put in. This one actually has 35% less sodium. You can add more salt if you want to. I rather control that. So this is going to put 2 of these for now. Okay, so I'm going to put that on high, and then I'm going to reduce it once it's bubbling. But I am going to add my smoked ham hock in there now. This is going to give it extra flavor. We're going to put it whole right now, but after it has been cooking for at least 1 to 2 hours, and split peas are soft, Then I'm going to take it out and I'm just going to cut it all up and throw it in there. Okay, but for now, we're just going to place it in. Well, I'm going to use my hand. My hands are clean. There you go. Wonderful. And then after that, we're going to put some salt and pepper, of course, to your liking. Salt, a little bit of pepper, and later we're going to add a little bit of smoked paprika, but I'm going to wait for that. All right, guys, I tasted this already. It has not even been cooking for an hour, and it tastes delicious. But I'm going to still add my smoked paprika. I don't know if you have ever tried smoked paprika, but that's like the best thing ever. So we're going to put a quarter teaspoon of it. And we're just going to let it cook there. We're going to let it simmer, make it happy. It's going to get happy and acquainted here. And I'm going to reserve some broth just in case. Some people like the split pea soup thicker. Some of us like it a little thinner. It's your preference. You can add more broth if you want to thin it out. So we're just going to wait for a little bit. Okay, guys, I am ready. One of the things that I did off camera was I took my bone and I took everything, as much meat as I could out of it, but I went and put the bone back in. So just stay there because, you know, just because I wanted to have a little extra, if there was any extra flavor that could absorb out of that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fill this up with this delicious split pea soup. I'm telling you. And then I'm gonna go over here with that. And if you like, and only if you like, I'm just gonna put a few croutons on the side. If you want to have that little extra crunch. I'm done. That is a perfect, and I'm telling you, I tasted that. It's just absolutely amazing. If you want that flavor, it's just so flavorful. It's the mouthful watering, great flavor. It is great. I am absolutely urging you to try it and to do it yourself. And after that, look at this. It's amazing. I'm gonna try it right now. So I'm gonna try it. So excited. Oh wow, it smells great. Wow, so good. Really, really good. Please, guys, try it. You want to stay warm this Christmas, holiday, any season at all. I just keep on eating, but it is hot. Can you see the smoke? That's how it is. It is absolutely amazing, guys. Please try it. Thank you so very much for being here on Lady Fire's Kitchen, and I hope that you try this at home and that you enjoy it as much as I'm going to enjoy it, and my husband is going to enjoy it. I'm pretty sure he's looking forward to tasting it. I will see you next Saturday with another wonderful recipe. Thank you for your support, and I will see you next Saturday.